Hey, what is going on, guys, and welcome to the STAR-EX app. In this video, I'll be showing you how to purchase the NFT tickets for the 3300 airdrop on STAR-EX. And the first thing that we need to pay attention before we actually purchase is we need to get ourselves BitTorrent tokens. And each ticket price is valued at 1,000,000 BitTorrent tokens. We need to first get these tokens from our current network to the BitTorrent network. The one way for us to do this is by using a decentralized exchange, or you could use a crypto exchange. In my case, I'm going to be using a decentralized exchange called SushiSwap. We would search for Sushi Swap, and inside of that, you pick the very first option, which is sushi, which will take you to sushi/swap. And when you get to SushiSwap, we will need to start by connecting our wallet. And whatever wallet that you're using, you're going to select from the options underneath this drop down. But in my case, I'm using MetaMask. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to select my wallet that I want to use. And then we'll start to see our options for the different tokens that we have in our wallet. Bear in mind, we also need to be on the chain that you are bridging from. I'm going to select Binance Smart Chain, which I'm currently on, and we need to figure out how much of Binance tokens we require in order to get to our BitTorrent tokens. So in order for us to do that, we'll need to search BNB or Binance, or if you're using Tron, you'll say TRX to BTT, or if you're using Ethereum, you'll type ETH to BTT. But in my case, it'll be BNB to BTT, and then I'll select the first option, which is with CoinGecko. And now to understand this is, remember, we require 1,000,000 of these in order to actually purchase the ticket. So we would type in 1,000,000. But one thing I normally do is always add a buffer just to cover for any shortfalls. So I would just add 1.2 million BitTorrent tokens, and that's going to give us that amount in Binance tokens. So we copy that, going back to the SushiSwap, hit paste. That's going to be the amount that we're going to use to get our tokens, and then we'll select what we are swapping to. And remember, we're swapping to BitTorrent. But here's the thing, we are swapping to BitTorrent on the Binance chain. This is the option that I'll be selecting. And once I have bridged, this is how much I'll be getting in BitTorrent. Once that is done, I will click on swap. That's going to give us a receipt of our tokens. You'll get the price impact with that, and whatever your slippage is. And then this is the network fee or the transaction fee that you will be paying for doing this, for initiating the swap. And then you'd confirm by selecting swap BNB to BTT, and then we will hit confirm, and now it's initiated the swapping. And then great, now we've sold our Binance for BitTorrent. So we can now close that. We now have 1,000,000 BitTorrent tokens on the Binance chain. Now we need to change from BitTorrent tokens on the Binance chain to BTTB, which is basically Binance on the BitTorrent chain. So in order for us to do that, on step 2, we need to go to the actual website for BitTorrent. I will search BitTorrent bridge. So we'll select the first option. We're going to start by connecting our wallet. So as you see, I did receive free tokens from the BitTorrent for the BitTorrent team. So that's going to also cover my gas fees as well. Because initially we had received 1,200,000 tokens when we did our swap. So we've received an extra 800, or actually an extra 1,000,000 or so tokens. And so now we can say, if you want to, hit max, or you could go 1,000,000 tokens. But for my case, I'll just go max. So I will then hit bridge, and then I'll hit, which will take roughly 8 minutes, and then we'll approve. And then the gas fee for this will be 13 cents of the dollar. So your MetaMask wallet will open up with a confirmation for a spending cap request. You would hit max just to maximize the amount. If it goes above what you want, the safer option would probably just add in your 1.2 million. That'll give you the actual amount so it doesn't go over what's required. So in my case, I'll just go max because I know I wanted to spend the max that's allowed, that's in my wallet. And then I would hit next. It'll give you a confirmation of what you've just given them approval for, and then you'll hit approve. That's now going to start the transfer of BitTorrent tokens. Here's your confirmation receipt, and then you hit confirm. You'll get another confirmation request from the MetaMask wallet. That's 0.06 cents of the dollar, and then you hit confirm. That's now submitting the transaction to the chain. Now that's going to take 8 minutes to complete the transaction or the bridging of the tokens. And once that's done, I will catch up with you in a second. So once your transaction has been complete, you will see that your asset has now arrived at your receiving address on the BitTorrent chain. So now, what does this mean? We now have Binance tokens on the BitTorrent network. We need to now convert our Binance token on the BitTorrent network to the actual main token for the BitTorrent network. So what we'll do with that is we go into the converter. We would then select our Binance token on BitTorrent network, also known as BTTB. I've selected my Binance and BitTorrent network, and I'll select our max amount. Also, it does explain to you at the bottom here what the underscore T, E, or B in tokens mean. It just basically means Tron, Ethereum, or Binance. We're now converting from Binance to BitTorrent, so we can confirm that. Now we need to sign our transaction, and we can confirm our amount, and then our conversion is complete. So we now have 2 million BitTorrent tokens. Now the final step 4, is we need to go back to STAR-EX, and then we hit connect wallet. Whatever wallet provider you're using, you can select that, but I'll be using MetaMask. And then you hit next, confirm. We have our total that's been specified here. Now we can buy our NFT here. Processing order. That's going to open up the final confirmation page, and then we hit confirm. Now, in order for us to actually confirm this final transaction, and then view on Block Explorer, so that'll show you the full transaction details. That is basically how you purchase a NFT ticket off of the STAR-EX app. If you were stuck with anything in the app, we're happy to answer your questions. Just visit our Discord and go to the support channel, and they will be happy to help you with whatever queries that you have. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Peace.